and maybe it helps you guys remove copper a little easier. Price-wise or cost-wise, I don't know if it's worth it. Someone that's willing to do the math, great. So I'm pretty much gonna heat this guy here with a heat gun. So obviously the cost to remove the copper here from the heatsink using a heat gun, someone who wants to do the math could figure that out if it's cost effective or not. I'm not willing to do it, so I'm just gonna make a quick video here just to show you guys that it's doable. So sorry guys, this might be a little loud for a bit while this heats up. It should start getting quite hot now. Should be able to remove this soon. It's been about a minute now. And yeah, it's been a minute right now. Still not hot enough. But it's getting there, starting to smoke. So that's what happened last time. It started smoking and then this just came out. There you guys see it bubbling and everything. So. There you go. So that's what you get. Now heat it a little more and you should be able to get the copper out. Yep, there you go. One piece out. Two pieces out. There you go. That's what I did by accident on the other piece, like I told you guys. So it took about a minute to heat it up properly. I don't want to grab this right now because obviously it's extremely hot, but if you see here, I already cut the copper out the tips. This, you can just use a hammer and hammer out the fins and eventually you'll get the copper out, so that's nice and easy. But this was pretty cool. Like I said, complete accident. Like you can see, I already cut the tip off that was exposed. Let's focus on that. There you go. But with this little trick, I get all the copper. Now you can go even further and remove the solder and get, better quality copper, more valuable, because it's clean and stuff. But I usually don't bother with that, and I'm probably not going to do this with the other heat sinks unless someone tells me the cost of heating this is worth it. I probably won't do it. So for you guys who want to do the math, let's go with about 1 minute of heating. And this is a 1200 watt